Hello scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with my Kill a Kit video for the Stashbash Take 10 series. So this is the series that I've been doing on Mondays with my really good friend Desiree's Tales, and she and I came up with a kit and we've been using that kit every Monday and making a layout with it. So I have 3 videos for you of 2 layouts and then 1 Project Life page or Pocket Life page, however you want to say it. And I also have a kit share video. So I will leave links below to all of those videos for the month of April. And I wanted to show you guys my kit as it is today. I have pretty much killed this kit and I'm so proud of myself how well I killed this kit. So I'm going to show you that, and then I will show you all the layouts that I made, and yeah, we can kind of talk about that. So I just have a bunch of scraps. This one is actually, it like fell together like this. I thought that was perfect because it's a banner. Look at that. And then I have this scrap and some of these little teeny ones I probably will just throw away. Here's a couple of border strips, another triangle, just a lot of little scraps here. And then I've got some bigger scraps that I can totally use on other pieces or other layouts. So I'm going to put all of these in my scrap bin. Has some vellum. I don't know if I actually had this in the kit or what, but it's there now. Then there's this bigger pink one and this bigger blue one with cameras on the back. I love this paper. I think this was one of my favorite papers. And then there's this cut apart one with the polka dots on the back. So I think what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to cut this up and I'll just put this in with some of my Project Life cards and things. So here we go. And things like this, like I'm just going to throw this away right now because I'm not really going to use that up, I bet. So this is the only full 12 by 12 paper I have left, which I'm so excited about because I started out with I think 7 or 8 12 by 12 papers. So awesome. I totally killed this kit pretty good. And the embellishments, these actually I added, I think, after a little bit. I didn't start out with those. These Ink Road stamps, there's about 1/4 of a, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I've used 1/4 of them. So that's pretty good, right? And then this was a 3 by 4 card that I just cut out 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, no, maybe just 3 of these little flowers for a layout. Here was another flower that I cut out. And then I'm not sure. I think I did use these on one layout. But then let's see. I'm trying to find all of the pieces that I used. So I used the sequins on one layout. Used these on I think every layout. Then I used 1, 2, 3, 4 of those stickers. I used 4 of those stickers. I think this set only had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, something like that. 3 stickers from that one, 2 stickers from that one, this sticker, then all of those stickers, this and this. And I think that's all on the stickers. I used some of the ephemera too. This is all the ephemera. This is where I kept it. I used a little bit of it. This was another sticker that I used. And then these little alphas, I used a lot of these. I'm really proud of myself because these were full when I started. And so now, like this one's pretty much halfway killed, right? So I'm not sure how much I will get out of that one. Ones like these are really hard for me to use because it's hard to like find words with only 2 of each letter. So I even had a hard time using it on my very last layout because it didn't have the letters that I wanted. So I used all of that, and then I've got quite a bit left here, but you know, it's okay. It's a work in progress, and oh yeah, I used those hearts too. I'm just proud of myself for using as much as I did. It is awesome. Anyway, so that is my kit, what I have left, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put them back with their embellishments, and I am going to move on. This will go in with enamel dots, these will go in with sequins, these will go in with acrylic pieces, and these will probably go in with my enamel dots as well. And then I'll just put all of these papers in my scraps drawer. So that is that. Now I'm going to pull out my layouts and I will show those to you real quick. Okay, so this is the very first one that I created. Both of us used the same sketch, and this is the layout that I came up with, and I really love it. I've had these photos for like 3 or 4 years. I think it's, well, almost 4 years, because I think, no, 3 years, almost 3 years. This was right after we moved into this house, September 2016, so almost 3 years. So it was fun to finally scrapbook this memory, and I really love how this layout turned out. Okay, so that's one, and I do have a video for this one. I have 2 layouts that I created that were extras that do not have layouts, videos, scrapbook process videos. So I apologize about that, but I'll explain it when I get to those. So I'll leave links to all of the videos and to my kit share below. This is the second layout that I created. I love these 2 photos of Brennan and Tinian with our neighbor's cat. They just love the neighbor's cats, and we're not allowed to have cats in our house because I'm allergic and our dogs don't really like cats anyway, so it works out. But here you can see I used that alpha, the green one, and then a sticker, and here's a label sticker and some of those Amy Tan hearts. And I love how this one turned out. I was a little bit worried with this background. I wasn't quite sure how it would turn out, if it would be too busy, but it looks perfect, doesn't it? I love it. And then this is just a border strip. So that is my second layout. And then my third video was a pocket page. So I am, for the 100 Days project, I'm going through my 2017 album and trying to finish it up. So this was one of the pocket pages that I needed to do. I had this card done, and that card done. So all I did to this was I added these stickers. I added this little embellishing area and the journaling. I added the title, a title here, and the dates as well. I added this here with the puffy stickers. I added the journaling, and then I made this card, used these stickers, and added this, and used this paper. So that is the third page that I made. Okay, now this is a 12 by 12 layout that I made for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. And this was for their scrap party that happened this past weekend. If you're not in that kit club, you should be, because it's awesome. I love Christina, and I love the kit club. So I decided to use up some of the pieces from my kit so that I could get it used up. And I did my journaling down here. I used a sketch made by Susanna Lee, which was just awesome. And here you can see I used some of those pearls, and there's those flowers that I fussy cut out. And I also used the alpha. Oh, you know what? I think I put the alpha away. I must have put the alpha away after making this layout. So I also had this alpha, which I think I used on this first layout. So that alpha, I used quite a bit of it. Okay. So then this is my 5th layout, and this is a very special layout. This is going to be for my patrons to see. So I'm not going to have a process video of this one, but if you would like to see this layout and see how I made this layout, head on over to my Patreon page and check it out. It's actually a redo of a layout that I was definitely not happy with. So I tore it all apart and I made that layout from scratch again. So that's the kind of stuff that you will be able to see on my Patreon page if you are a patron. So make sure you come on over, check out my Patreon page and subscribe. You can get all of the content for April absolutely free. They won't charge you until May 1st, but you will still get that May content, even if you sign up after May 1st. You'll see all of the content for April. Okay. Anyway, I am going to run. I hope you are enjoying this series. Next month, we have a fun little surprise. She's Crafty is going to be joining us. Her name is Shannon. And we are going to be using a mood board, I believe, is what we're going to be doing to make our kits this month. So I'm super excited about that, and I can't wait to get started. So come back here in a week, and we will be posting, sorry, I can't talk. We will be posting our kit shares for the month of May. So I will be back very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.